This 20-ounce MAXL MAXLONE Waterless Detailer makes it easy to clean and shine your car with a simple spray and wipe, even when you do not have access to running water. The advanced Triphene technology lays down a slick, hydrophobic layer that helps repel water, dirt, and road grime far longer than a basic wax or quick detail spray. It restores depth and gloss on paint, metal, trim, and glass, so one bottle can replace several separate cleaners, sealants, and shine products in a typical detailing kit. Because it is formulated to tolerate very high temperatures, it can be used safely on wheels, exhaust tips, and engine-based surfaces while still resisting harsh sun and chemical exposure. The concentrated formula is efficient enough that only a few ounces can cover an entire vehicle, which makes it a practical choice for frequent touch-ups or multiple cars. Despite its strong performance, the solution is designed to be gentle on your family and the environment, avoiding the heavy runoff and waste that come with traditional hose and bucket washes.